Father, we pray for our country, our small island nation. Please continue to help us. There's so much problems in the world, including wars and threats, even threats from big countries. So we just ask that you continue to protect this island and our people and continue to deter our enemies from hurting us. We don't want any more wars as we've had before, so please help us prevent those from happening here. Thank you. I also pray for the people of Palau. I lift them to your hands and all those who are here. Thank you, Father, and we lift this press conference to you and everyone here, the President, the Vice President who's not here, and his entire administration, all the ministries and the ministers. Thank you. We also submit the media into your hands that they can do their job that will help our people. Thank you, and we praise your name, and we ask all of these in Jesus' name. Amen.
Malaysia Malawil 12 Malmering Sulem Elder Sid ang lungu ma wala klat dungu tial tial bodo susra ibdul maraklay marbugul belaw marugul justice legislators marbek ladar belaw ngara ay krel belaw mangara alsel belaw ngayang almurahot charigi malsogal تريغل وتيال تيال مال الوالغامرة ميديا ربنجيد الإلهي تيابيلاو مول قليل كوغانا Island Times. Oh, okay. ما TMC مغارتيا ماشي. Oh, okay. مجد مامول ذيك ما تريب التقالك قطرولك أي مرة عملوا ذيك السيد الروليس النورمال بريس كونفرنس كده على التوتاو كده عملنا سيل السيلز تجيب له سيل أتندا أسيل while swearing in ceremony را Peace Corps Peace Corps هذا دونيل كده عملوا المرسل بوينت التكموري ده سيكمل عملا graduate نعم eligible ملارا Peace Corps ما 2018 نعم لدار Peace Corps من close up program من لترى أرومولة درسنا تولا لو لين ترى أدرى مريجل وسمنوت مغرق كليتي البرنامج لتيا مال تقوين benefitting المرابلوما. It just so happened at the time Dr. Jenkins said asking mo Ministry of Education makno say what example of Dr. Jenkins اللي عمله Peace Corps مربلا تجرابيل إمام منسنسي ملوا إمام astronaut الموت المربلال يسبرين الالسيل. You know, that's an example of really the bond and the impact that Peace Corps mera a community ma klangargidar other belam. Mang kadamrenga sula blue ramrigel mal brenga sula taxpayers at the end of the day it's the taxpayers of the United States that spend the money to keep these programs going. Kadamrenga sulire of course the game le nine tiram al-mutal reignited their program niya do kita dim dinge kita mala host family mala take care tin so we know how they've impacted our lives. So congratulations to the new volunteers. We look forward to seeing them around town and of course spending time with our children this coming school year. Koradi direct the update kita last press conference akti lomre game mergo ngay omra the blurring mlonia te level asad asad mlo to ضرورة دي السلام الtrip I was on my way to Europe but mlonia te level stop by attend the graduation last year so congratulations to Nobuyuki Yano like graduate last year, and one of the things that really impressed me was his art exhibit that I had an opportunity to attend, and he's going to send it to Palau, and it'll be here for PIF. Moshe demonstrated, but congratulations to him and Kaya, both graduating from La Sierra, and the many graduates this year. Tira Amlatov school, and of course, Mlose del Sera de Return, Mlose de la Tenda Graduation Upper High School. Congratulations to the almost over 100 graduates, and we wish them the best in the coming year. We're also excited to have all the interns. Ngar belar el time, ngar ter el summer, hopefully the same exciting part is they want to go back and finish, but the summary al mutter mera blue velo. So kita ulo kadam Europe several things. Most importantly kita mohostra pifrel al maral merda. Mohostra pifeng one of the things that more responsibility blue vela mo wabol chair a pif for the coming year. So seldo sada tokora work climate, sada tokora anything to do with on the international level. Wado basel rangalela Pacific el modado. Mang multure gide now to ayel engagement tira sorira the bong edo do the participate the promote the galit tokor belau tokora Pacific. Ma gadamlora Brussels, na tele del Brussels one day mo dole meeting el vice president EU mingel diregal Deputy Prime Minister Blura Belgium, EU Belgium. Of course, reiterate the invitation for them to come to PIF, but also the importance of tell the Mugela EU, seluk engagement, Tila Mugela Pacific. Issues when it comes to climate change. That's a security risk for us. And I get Samrial. We told them, of course, our theme is Belau. So that's building economies, life, action, and unity. The building economies, we're talking about building resilience. So one of the things we want investment, we want partnership. Sell those other renewables. Agyon Moral was a time is the right time and MEM invest with us. We want to achieve 100% renewable Pacific. And we believe it's possible. But we need your partnership. Ocean protection, ocean management, ocean production. Invite investment whether Ligidam Nasia, Loran Merbabadol, Rada Gil Muluk Ladran clear. Mumgrada, Narayel Ways Ilgida, a stopper say, Narayel Ways Ilgida, a Trigel Namogil Muluk, Mgrada, Dolo Cortil, Los Per integrity and dignity, but at the same time, Al Sumata Mlamaluk, Egel boundary til Mgralo, Molmaldi, Waisel, Luz Egel, well, Carencela Blurir at all time. Partersel conference awulan nekto to tela da bong tiram la sige del monga kida wable the first gat pi telo lo kida blo maran mo dura egal climate conference in the UN la se financing at the top del moral. So Abela is one of the first recipients. You see the global
Center.
Yeah.
For climate mobility.
Yeah, the Global Center for Climate Mobility, really a grant process. The grants and more community, basically you apply and they come directly help a community projects. So Blur Bela relata mania 3 project. Ngani sel project terongila Blur Oreor, el Mrura sel water system ra the water system sel ligararal mara angarmith. And then ngani au project help other ngayangan ra seluk bol storm el protect themselves so long as abil singir el top da da. Edriga ngani project ra aya le climate change and there are money or mangadas per se. I got 3 projects that are ongoing, and one of the things they want to do to PIF, I may demonstrate to say spell and then find us more money. In fact, I said President, I got 3. Can you handle 20 more? The announcement to the more governors I say, climate projects, community. We need to start preparing those proposals. Like, these are our opportunities. Like, if you remember, Engel Foreign Minister Germany mlera blur bela. Isera almeng one of the things she did amlora blur amlgayo. Isera blur amlgayo ngun messer tial dol el mem masra ya agila bluil mulger tilo ase ngara mosperi so I got part of the result I get visit my get el do yeah one of the sponsor take the program other adois so gadamre ngasuliren and of course they're coming to PIF they want to see these activities and we want to continue to show results so they can help us more this is something UN Secretary General Mark Medararungul UN Secretary General attended the PIF in Cook Islands and also attended the one in Tonga. Mangyamal ngani serar tinga sing help para Pacific. Mang partrang led not only as Palau but as a Pacific leader a help partialol Pacific Rosig Audo and Mergit. So that fund may grow to 50 million and that's why they're saying avalan sila handle 20 project next year. So after say, Mlayatela than Mora, London, to attend the Climate Week. Sel angaramong in New York agora sel Climate Week era UNGA se agora mleklol event. Del al time ngoda position abluram regel when it comes to climate. Most agel activity am lambol Mora London. Gida amlong sel sedel ngal tatria mle head of state ngarse. Misalong ado Secretary General mga ado logi ulel or vice versa. Mga year total events amlo se de attend au mlo se el ambassador gidra UN ilanam le join gidra se because it's a UN event and we went around to all those events. El continue musada gidel total climate impact and just so happen of course Europe was going through the heat wave. So if you didn't believe climate was real, there was evidence. Naria, of course, Maria tell that one of the events was at the St. James Palace, which King Charles was hosting a methane event. Because, one of the main contributors to climate change are methane. They held it in St. James Palace. Aigal blue wa London, Marwa Paris, aiga degal ergandishon aigal blay, lendiblagal magal. Itiga gado usut, gasib, aigal alsel tial blay, 300 telab. It was a sauna. But just an example, like I say, it is real. Things have changed. The world is getting hotter. So I think in Gora, I highlight the factor. I say, we need to take action. We keep on talking, but we need to take action. And that's sometimes we get disappointed that not enough progress is being made. But I think the important thing is that progress is being made. And if anything, we need to double down and move to the الموضوع عرف help them and understand. ندري كم نكلول partners conference ندري كم ساعة finance and how to get money to where to the people that need it most. كذا ندري كم نمرة كرسي أقول كذا منورة باريس سانيا ملاقي هذا المرة وين ملاقي أو كذا ملا of course دماغ ملوسمير ملاقي كذا سيغن مو ما أقول لي ترى دروت المسكمة تيال المو ومضادور تيال ده OECD DAC سيسل وال Overseas Development Economic تيال عمره على يقال ODA كيا كمية عندنا سيابلور بيلا عملنا تايم ملا eligible را أجل ناس ورا outside المي and then around 2016 تاسي كمية وكملا graduate كمية سيل دي ملالون ده كملا grant Masira example, gidamlo blalsra extension airport, kadamila alone al gira sewer, kadamila alone al gira la adeng wargid, I mean I got fiber optic, I got tokal blalsel, and then I got mura covid, magad mutum la blals. And then dukti side was endiak, ela kamya mle graduate, hindi kamya mla nangosil mutul eligible, mla drap pa income kamyo. May say? Magada mle drap, hindi of course kung mla makarok lagay zargir, do kasi elang na magiging graduate next year. Say dilemal dangari. Magita blol mga dura tokol wasay ngiri lo mes lang alak karsel one number lo mes yin do wasay GDP sel gross national product. Ngiri lo mes sel vulnerability sel wal elite tul tial blul de gadi mo mes sel gid el income. Legida of course gari typhoon kada susceptible to economic shocks through tourism. Ay كده بتوقع يجي other vulnerabilities كده face الجيغر البلو ده كسيل اليوم سيد one number. So OECD ده أول نرسل review process. And طبعا نقول أبلور أستراليا الملاسم الهلب بريد. And there's actually been a study done and help trial justifier say كده. So ngari close meeting tira September. I don't know what say necessary the bomb the تدري say maybe say last year الميل plead your case المورتير. So at least قد ملمتر chairman ملمتر Australia conducted a meeting at their embassy say يسال ديال embassy at ambassadors residence hosted تريجي ambassadors ريال blue والنارسيل committee. So we got an opportunity to share with them the challenges رجيد ما أولن they need to reconsider سجيد الposition التيل. ندير غادي لقيت graduate in Costa Rica graduate ندير graduate in Panama graduate in Nauru. We're all in this من تاسي أبو غرام كمية يم كمية كمية Costa Rica مكرام Panama مكرام هلا عم دي مسافر بيلاو دي مورين سرا ويشيرو غامر island بره الآن مكلول بلوم دي you know that's always the issue that they bring up. So قد ملاس من وريق القط الكرو باب السبب الفايت الجيرال سلوك أو تيسل نيا نال سنسد واسه مكرال help بريد. But we also have to face the reality واسه GDP بريد الآن نومر كرّا سلداسم per capita 20,000 is high. Ndang kasi kasi kita aman maabul. And of course kita imral mo klayal bulu am they say yes ada kasi mal mita kartel litak but maybe there's some ways that say that they come along so of course Blue Australia mal sorry no sorry because they are helping us now. For example agel nges wara a solar agel battery dal baskid ولهم غدا ملاقراديت مدغتسيل مسكيدا هي تيال فلايت نا استراليا المي ثم ملاقراديت مدغتسيل هيلب بريد هي مكلو تو تيل program that help us. So يجدا البانغر تيال كلو هوسبيتال يد we want assistance. So that's why it's so important for us to at least plead our case. ديريغ الملانيات اللي دان ارسيل one of the challenges that we're faced with كده عمل promote high quality investment ترابلور بيلام. كم يوم دينه لسه four seasons أجي كده ترابل الجيل لومور أورور على سرابلور بيلال مرور سل hotel تيرا غير الغايل. متم لومري غرا EQPB ممري غرا cultural suddenly أوكا UNESCO أمي أسي ديك ما ماجيرا من review. ما ملو أسكر تيرو أسي عليم نامو مدري لول ملبوي تيلبوي راجي مونير قبل ما review. We need high-end development, good development, and we want to do it in partnership with you. So, تملي promise ده سه September or August تسندر team الميل more release and review. Hopefully مسألة مولا construction or sell project. إله كأقلي reminder تيجي كمان ما مال دي واي كميو. كذا make sure كذا ده كذا تملي اللوجي الأخلاق ده كذا تملي الhistorical site. By enhancer تيال باشيوم نقول economic development that we all help أوكا بلو مامل advance. So يجي كذا غرام له كلول نرله سيام له كلول نرله سلام راين. عندنا ذي ملاي ملانيا عمره ذا المرة بلو رفيجي المعتمد ترويكا. ترويكا مضانين ولا سيسلوك قال incoming chair of PIF which would be us. قال current chair of PIF which is Solomon Islands. من قال ملاي outgoing chair ملاي تونغا. عمل تري apart سيد مثلا ترويكا. And نجينا meet every 3 months. لسه أول قرا سيد مثلا نسير كميتي لون قرا تيال البيف. الرياضون ندير تريال رجال تريال هذا الروج. So نريجل لورول جيرا المطمقلا. مقدم لورسيل basically update الجيرا لا arrangements الجيرا لا تيال conference المران مرة أغسطس. Tell them where we are and that we're ready. They will come our class. And yeah, so we're excited. We hope that the Southern Mutial was last year the club event the hosting Blue Umbrella Pacific Mini Games. And we know it was a similar prediction 1,200 athletes meant 2,000. usually a PIF sell الميرادة تنغرا 1200 أيقال نعم رجال PIF. We expect this year was maybe more error telala. So get tell mat mokrablo, we have to get ready. But ngui opportunity gidel lotia sel ukli belargi ma abelargi de mortrigal salit ra tel rangal la Pacific me edrigal tel level lotin murablulat le trigel da set partners Solomon Islands sa dimla kalala trigel partners el mora Solomon Islands kita open ma trigel all partners kita ame and we want them to look at how we can partner together meet the challenges ra kita climate change, but also help build economic resilience. So we're excited. Less than 2 months, I'm there. Clock at McGill, I'm going to nitra kaltareng, I'm working on McGill at Tel, Rekla Dragal Bekel Blue. This was one of the things that keeps on coming up. Gida Momay, say, I get over to the social media or on the internet. I think I said, I said, Maral Toy. He said, I was saying, I baby fay, Malum de Clamaran. What you say? Malmom Kitarungal at Clarmings, Maria de Lame Messena, Trigadim Lagalodaye, and you know a message through Messenger. And one message to Messenger, at the area Siasing, there was a president, a mal advisor, was a Manangari will investment opportunity tiabla los peri na mega mal toludo. Makti share tel incident marada mo understand. Mangal ada undo sa tiamral toe nga social help ra user belau. The first thing that you need to look at is tiamla ngaral web ngaral page el me. That would be your first sign because it ndimla kalanga all duro kri but siya singa matiga di automatically tondo sa sing ngi. And then, ngalada amgadadu emrugo asem senda udo del mer da sem senda udo del sendel via Western Union el more private individual dia investment company private I mean akti help pra you know these are red flags mak help pra man don't fall into the same trap en model sebel mo mora banga oduro cloudo del more private account ngara ablura Georgia Deka Georgia am realty Georgia ngara a Europe. Investment company na a Georgia but you know maybe kita ada bela sa Georgia Otia Atlanta Georgia I'm just you know so katama I want to get the message out was ask questions please don't send any money to anybody deka mo dangali yeah you know oi ngari triyan me ase kam lawin ra lottery elang me ase this is an investment opportunity there's so many and I mrina oreo mudra ududiu don't get caught the triga scam artist problem tira mo to ram legen mo to mo martir di triga ngara midra Europe ngara Africa and it's so unfortunate. So mama Marine trial الموضوع دور Facebook ولا say please money ترى يا لا مرتب ده يقال فيجر يا دي ترى ديو مارتر ترى you know they are freedom they we're trying to do all we can stop but they قال سيد توني تروقي so أختي ممكن تقال وإيش هذا رابلو لا say قاعد يقول تبغى investment advice ديري أخماد أو يعني يا say تقاي ين هاي تبتو أخماد ديري أرتيان كذا and I think one of the things that get them there's no such thing as like fast and easy money. You know, tiga man le madu me tiga rule apra. So kasi elak na sender said 200 talal me tiga not mutel investment account tergaw and here's an app low reward. Mo otiro say you have $200. Emro ko say elak din mutel lo ya telang etia mal fast. Ila tell me 200 and 1,000 man it's growing very fast. Put some more money and you can make more money. I loot tell them 25,000. It was no problem. Did you want to get some money out? You can take up to 18,000. Send us another 2,000 and then you can get 18,000 out. I mean, Tidilo aigang and grow it tira osper seguir excuse to extract money from you mo. Include to tira la you be aware, hopefully momesagi the red flags and reach out. So one of the things that we do is we try to inform FIU, the police, to try and help para adamang. Mring adam de mertira tiga de kal ngarbe lang. But we're going to try to put notices out on Interpol and all of those. But anyway, Akmali Nesogal will help rather than understand the Sayyid and be safe. Okay? Oh, lastly, sila last week no de katela del color kami di budget am no el pass. Kami nga sulia rather all bill. Oi mnarisel ne propose de la visa and mnarige rogul mralisel. There are some stop 2 months later. There are pass supplemental. It's unfortunate that we have to go round and round. Diktilura, especially senators, kasi it's better late than never. Di kada congratulate ang alged el tira mnasat romula al games. They practiced hard and they've waited. The only thing dik ayamarin mora governor kasi di la require kami pasa ula blumiu el gira la geludo del gibo mas kamiu mre del pasa la amiu bolsi in may geludo len that's the process. But ngira ngari alla ara blurir la otilo asetam la appropriate mo nsiela treasury release raudo. But anyway, kada hopefully el almerraga budget tergida will be on time. We try. We're going to submit it next week, and we try to be on top of it. The mnaregel black two issues rumral was close to address. One all these years gida angari team gida long asur gida tokara compact and an important team le gida mbenyo sa compact tamil ngai but ngarigel tokal additional التقال لموريل دونتمو. Example, Abesel Hospital. That requires constant lobbying at all bill, executive branch Ramrigan, and make sure that that's at the front of their mind. Looking for funding in Abesel Hospital. Veterans. It's been a struggle, and we're still working with the U.S. to ensure, I said, veterans are making benefits at Tira Blue. It's an ongoing process. Although the 26 million al gida amla angu al bodabal al solve a problem a pension plan. Se ay gida lurol don't mok lagi ay gida al part compact and said as compact plus. Even matukora P-score that we just brought back. Un parte te gida obis along el push ay gal promote and more other all bill rablu ramrigel my executive branch. That's why we can get it done. So there was a part in there that may require a procurement exemption and unfortunately milngo bata magada donita ador bill ase ngaral sela tiale ngarang khlel bill elite visa please and passari ongero ay gidam denga se arala alu am lamas a PUC adekal se el fixed arala dengiri el fixed arala dengiri and it has to fluctuate. Es el volumen en el moro, es el pon kite. I mean, borio ora lalu and el medio. Deal fixed. We have the possibility of bankrupting PPUC. They can show them more sell point. So I'm glad asking other albila say, gida the wila dor top the the subsidy help prat. Being giril corrector sell la al kite la lile senet al restrict ragid adjust rate PPUC. La al mlaringi etemel stobringi نوت reinstatery المرسل الأولى من أيها عملت طول داسك ياسه at the same time يقوم تل نقرأ ململوين لقوم ديملول strike out ترسل أنتلا أبيس president قد يجيو سيجي ده دير strike out تيجي أنتلا البيل إنغاري إليت بيزام بوم قط مقر سه ما ذك كلا يجيل قط مجيل ليان أمنو تسندين ماذا ساينني so أخمير تيرت ما نتشغل على هذا ساين إليت بيزام البريد الأخطرية مال ready to sign. Lastly, Gida Amal, we're looking forward to delivering the SORA on July 22. Mal Matklo, Tutila Igel, Gida Albangan El Alier, I think important bills that need to be taken care of. Pension and SS, aircraft registry, and of course the budget bill, which we will be given more darsili. So, Qadim le update and man la mukamala, magtatal press conference, but I wanted to share with you. I get all gida aminat mokla. Maula un muskami mogera agir. Aba.
Ngilitasil si President. The first question nga ka tipo sa Minister of State kuradir kamil sa Ambassador mara Australia mal ko Google waseng mo present credentials sa ringing wangra nga order ka ringi wangra sel program sel kirela embassy kita herteng mura Canberra wangra girl kirel say ya number 2 malukura pa chat album submit ringi last next week ringi sel lontila chief justice sel kirela kloludo mo renovate tale courthouse ra Oreo kura milungur selba bingel waseng kura affecta schedule sertira court ma document sertira temporarily store dara la mungere say sedira kalwa ya historical building maranga kura salamli headquarter ra nanyo chor sa tamra shabal mo ngara kura tasol girel say sulang tigay the 2 for now
Sula algorila control the was a Minister of State in the Ambassador Australia, of course, in Namangay, Kisel daseng agreement ablal agreeing abro Australia, selulingini abro Australia se set up obviously the embassy, tiragiril ma. So they're already there. Gel assistant Hayden Sekli, Amlamra El Mora Australia, Ambassador will be soon going. They were saying sometime around July or August, maybe still open. Ngaria proposed a trip per year, state visit to Morablo, Australia. Mlame ting Australia and Malari October. So hopefully sel time namo open embassy yid sel the wong. No, a presentation, credentials, sel open office within one time. Yeah. So, Wangerung, sel question courthouse. Semral magtatang, naria mle request sige mo kami trasyaban, lagi tamne se sige mo ko imle nanyo cho. Di akora di sokal doli lo se. Di mo kadil nanyo cho. Ablu ramrigel sera el tego para andar titi a titi relitial mo courthouse. Ngari extension, ma renovation, ma modeling el blal rurtial el building. Tiamrani al sumni amrigel masyaban. Lagi tamne se ngora degal Taiwan wase well deko mas kertirgel ukirela. So ko tralo sige wase ngaral funding available. Melaw puluram rigel ngari gel wase infrastructure funding. Said the infrastructure fund to send the ilamura vessel building. So one of the things that we're trying to get over and we're going to put it in the budget. Askar Blue Amrigel was sensing existing building. Imle building at Titi los peril courthouse and extension and mirul under Titi. Etiala said there was a muromel building. Oh, ased los peril do the maintenance compact momat mokri. So say only three the more Blue Amrigel and we're hoping it was saying clearance in but one of the things that we're changing is we'll have all of those presented in the budget and more will be ready more. Hopefully, the pass mal algayam legal and everything. Yeah, so sulang again.
Alilaya le dikluta tu nalpitan. Di update el gira la PIF, kora mention was 2,000 participants, so probably going to be one of the biggest PIFs. Aqua diogira egel qua preparations kumesra para mayong but in terms of accommodations ma security para our head of state may wang ra kwa role kirela especially accommodations ma security.
The accommodations, of course, I get reserved the more legal leaders. Dinga bibir hotel already namo full. So that's good news because we want siya tarawon in the host in the magdabay encourage tigal dirigal buka hotel tin bre del buka lemon mo muya hotel ding dirigal opportunity mo adablo sa ngani Airbnb kami list le gasel bola ka igal hotel te dirigal ngani ate alla still rent ablay mangarang it's a good opportunity para mora igal belu lesel gibora igal pif igal bebe ablo that's what happens. A lot of people rent out their houses. Tabay mo vacation and rent out abliri. That's so yeah. Security, kapong Minister of Justice. Maybe Minister Tutul, sumari awel, ada sil sumari abril sure rent out mara. Share
Sulang organizational question. So preparation la kultura logistical security rapif ramurtel parallel obangela overall and planning my preparation rapif itself. There is a security plan in place, progressive. We continue to build on it. We are working with a number of partners. Prepare pre-arrivals during their stay here. They are leaders, so there are protocols and requirements to observe. That includes 24/7 close personal protection. Matamo akorde da igagid ya blabulisa oreo labungela primary partners sa matmokra overall security that includes Australia, Australian Federal Police, ngaringi deployment Pacific Police Support Group pasel blado ay singil wasing ang training center nga Brisbane, Australia. I'll train regional Pacific Regional Police Officers ang ngaringa adadan la atwa badaringil terong yang ngaringa terul adadan ngaringil ilang ngaringa minimum of 100 at least 100 regional police officers sa Mirabelao al mo support local law enforcement target ayero ko yel talang tingil security throughout the period rapif. We are also engaging with the US. A partner with the US in terms of the plan, various agencies that includes INL, International Narcotics and Law Enforcement, my FBI, my military, a plan risk and threats assessment. They're due to be here within the next couple of weeks. And moringar what tabletop exercise. El build the capacity local law enforcement prepared to address other things that may come up around the primary PIF meetings and events. So we're, as far as security, we're progressive planning. We're to include scoping, physical scoping of areas and everything. So a level of security for PIF will be at its highest level given the highest officials in the region will be convening here in Palau for the event. As the minister, as President Whips has stated, there's projected over 2,000 folks that will be here, so that will impact traffic and general movement within the community. So you will see convoys, escorts with police vehicles from point A to point B, down to Z. Police officers will be strategically situated throughout Rarai, as we host this very large scale and very important event. Alwaseng mo impacted the movement of traffic, madibol kloro de trailo assist that sa gidal movement. Ese lora la time al mokmed motob daro announcement tal dio maklat kategora traffic and all those things. So sa gida agora ko ti update Mr. President ng gina security planning for upcoming PIF.
Leland.
أذكر follow up برتال since من start المسادرة أبيفا والغريل قبل مسادرة accommodations what's the plan for transportation مرينا bus or مرينا collaboration لو بنجلا ترغل taxi drivers نرسل website ترى PVA المقول نصير to get around during the event.
Sula Malungilger. Yes, el altem Bureau of Development tergid el hedringia Director Emi Gato Sangam ngel Chief Gallery Frederick order lo ngel CIP ma government la Taiwan kadang tangata President tamlo el initiate ala lo ngel Taiwan tom sigita for el EV yo momes ngani gel solar panels el lorura agita education relang giamo mangani ngara tel building ng ngani del sils agi order el ara plan el mo incorporate agi el bus el mo sel existing bus system ergid manganya ndakable disrupt the regular bus route nding mo additional support tra agi el bus el mo mray agi el gukti venues ma hotel al sela agi during the fifth time. So we're looking at more multiple scenarios. Ngani tel regular bus agi el stop remote edire ngani el guk mo special routes el guk ti el EVs el remote tra la venues. A taxi a momes over airport ngani ro lo ngala minister of yang ma Peter Poloy mla designate apa agidere taxi area sel over airport lang sel across arrival ngani sel area designated strictly for taxi obviously gidra PVA ang arsel madal ngani niya adal ngarsel lo ride tir el mel taxi ang aramong trigal la taxi gidam didur al sel lo titoirar yalang na mornya awngil gora flow matletele lo omraira adal me ketsa taxi sulang
The additional el transportation but for the Belao Games and the assistance transportation between our venues at Belao Games.
At the moment, hindi ka special bus service al mura Belao Games, diesel regular bus service lang ang didurto. Hindi lasab amal mo mesat mong mo ang aratele lang nasa edal maliel stops ni your venue. We will look into that. So lang. Yalakal with them na move opening ceremony president on the 13th.
President, kami del may, stakar sele imo eventry, malungin. Di kora kari gila constitution de hindi ka kora plans and anything going on, speeches or special events.
Nganya, well, adik pwede president tapmle ngani alda aklo mangala president talere lang makora olingi ternit monsel bora rajol kora amada dul gira la constitution de la club pero hindi ko mga mo adado monsel ko TMC
Originally, no mo open games re club. Siyem na ko part tara celebration ding na postpone mereka doka. May will mong tamer baklada ngara blirire mlat kertriel milingis ra yedo triel mel loser tiel constitution gide. And then hopefully Dr. Tele can share again insights. First kangang masakan nagal amendment teriel. Sulang.
Di kami kana mo de komisada pifalire di gadi shoka sanga di specific الغرة agenda بلو بلاو الغرة topic سبهم وصارت on the upcoming PIF follow up المرسية after a sub agreement ngala الغرة do you think I got a bit of the other non-Micronesian islands ngala fulfill I get وابل الغنيل موجود to satisfy the Micronesian states tell sub agreement.
So Aigel Nara Suva, in fact, it's one of Ula Gimra Choi Kam South Tel Suva agreement. Sel Domesa Suva agreement, and Aigel Ton Sel one Angel Dosing Secretary General, other Micronesia. Say already Namat Book, Gel Wanga, other Nauru. By Gatmigila say ongoing funding Argel me. So say one of the discussions Al Marail. Mlaumreka get 3 years based on Suva agreement, Telangina Namo, get operationalizing it, is mega odor continue to rostering. Sell last the sell Mlegire lobbies and Morakiri Basel, while you got North Pacific or Micronesia office. Say understanding Irgida open at July 12. I say that's the proposed opening date. What I'm like, that's what I'm getting del Mondi. I don't know why opening it again.
Hindi na final sale date July 12.
Okay. So, the recommendation of Morama said that Micronesian Island Forum next week, because of the alert temla postponed. Sela ngurul kurim lo sing arayel priorities. Agi the blagusa investment. Sela saying investment. We want investment in renewable energy. We want investment in ocean protection and ocean production. So, those are the building economies, resiliencies, gida promote. Besides all the other things that we talk about when it comes to the 2050 strategy, PIF. And of course, Trigal partners, how do we partner and achieve the goals? How do we build resiliency? At the end of the day, how do we build resiliency? Climate resiliency, economic resiliency, and then I think with the recent events that Tial missile launching in Norbitara Tuvalu, and last year one of the things at PIF was peace declaration. Ngagir dal misao se obogida da Tial Pacific tiro mo missile sela a territory Tial Pacific rigide emakra. They claim nothing international water zone said so ma'am. But still, la Fiji, ma Tuvalu, ma Nauru. So these are real issues that we, as leaders in the Pacific, we need to stand together. And that's the importance of PIF. It's getting a unified voice on all of these issues that we face so that we can build a prosperous blue Pacific that are ultimate goal. One of the topics of when it comes to security, coordination. So we need to coordinate our efforts. And doing organized crime in the Pacific are affecting all of us. So we have to, it's a team effort. So, Chula.
Speaking. Kaya nga update talgirel tial PS pila kalbus sergit waseng la mos vel open oingrang and talgirel vacancy ra Ministry of Justice, especially BPS.
I'm sure you can talk about it. Halal like sa tela Ministry of Justice
Sulang Lilay. So in terms of our efforts to recruit and the ongoing recruitment efforts, we continue to be challenged are other available or by desire and apply. So we have expanded our recruitment efforts in more regional. So recently, on a meeting that I had at Fiji, Guerrilla Transnational Crime, I was able to engage in bilateral meetings with the Minister of Police, Police Commissioner of Fiji. I'll start initial Guerrilla possibility of regional recruitment to include Fiji, and then Guerrilla a PNG. Maklo, Balu, umle pasetiba aldadu. They have no lack of available persons sa Fiji. So agi discuss rin la president ma cabinet gi take the next step in looking into how we can the osisul conceptual waitigal to nurses sergidal al nga hospital and other areas. So kada continue al prefecture itself for the finishing up makadana mustat al mga tmoklay girel nga al sila again the stress will say the delay has been based on a number of components that were not originally included in the original design ng mga construction. So when we went in, hindi mo open it up without those essential security features and get part of the structure. So those have been part of the significant delays that we're facing, but we're working hard with CIP in getting it done as soon as possible because kada katilu challenge sa space and gidre lang.
على ذيك الموت المدخل يبيع الطويل. أقول تقول a plan is we need money. We need to hire a minimum of 30 officers. So plan كده سي تيال budget البوضة submitting or بيقولوا it has to have funding الجيرل 30 officers that need to man the jail. So one of the ideas الضمسين is maybe a jail most of the other more a jail أبين لا أدرى نقدر بلو. يجي by the free upper officers ra jail المو help a patrol معنا. We still need some other balance are say but maybe this is an opportunity to spare take the other Fiji. But ndiri kalso kalado I think maybe at time administrative di mrona semana ri ududira bulis. So we had our internal budget ministere ora trial fiato se tiana ri un maltena. Kamdani say how much an officer one can earn per year. I guess no. What do you think is their salary annual? 12,000? What do you think? No. What do you think, Noah? All time. I will say assumption again. All time, if you're an officer, el mamalara 90 fential, ma igagidere sell hazardous, because you have to add that to sell base salary. Actual take-home paying officer one is 21,000 a year. So I think a part of the problem, we've raised police salaries, restructured, but say I'm like all again. In fact, you may find out was a officer one makes almost 40% more than a teacher. This is the reality that we face. So we need to work together and help. And again, the mother said, there's opportunity. I think 21,000 a lowest paid officer. So apply. Yeah.
President, kamasada arbulis mala hazardos night. Just last week, we got some information was it tirigel adadalo ura tialbli la ko mira imlig malmrut am gikyong ma kengal le tikalola hazardos. Te kutingin was it tiriget adala tirigel adra public work and te kudik mutta adal tan te kamesase tirigel mrut am gikyong le.
I think this
operate the heavy machinery.
This is the problem we're having with hazardos. Instead of saying hazardous or a fight and matamal. Hazardous usually means more law enforcement officers. That's the purpose of cell. And so really what you were talking about was although the lolaring at there, say by here focus on it. How do we make sure they're compensated adequately? There shouldn't be any hazardous. You're a police officer, tidagir el salary rao. And that includes the hazardous. I mean, hindi ka blukon molar extra telal percent. kadam lang utial me mili by confuse rara. So anyway, that's just opinion na amang abay klo to trase ngrasel lungil sararel de basterir. Yes, tamruto magikyang la kadam basterir adong urtir so that they don't get affected, but that's unsa dro singil malam rap kularal migil msuka hadar so those mon mrot. I mean tel hazardos can be everybody because there's hazards in every job that you're doing. Maybe in Gilar obvious, maybe not. But I think what's important, that's why the focus has been how do we raise people's salaries so that they're compensated adequately. So, sulang ra gil tele hazardous. Malalis tira burjay. Okay. Malwaise malimre nga suliu no se malme ngawaklak me announce ra TMC gamlo me udol men di gauten artiam malngaria full house me nga sulela media me nga sulera ureriu ma ngilger and you know that I always say that media is the fourth branch of government, so we have to be accountable to the people, and without you we cannot do our job better. So gida blol الموتيل تاعل مرينا سورير تيجي روغول تيرو ورورا بك تزيلس المرينا المشهور كده هذا بلاو دي دريغا تشادوا سبيشال تايم روغ نايس تيجي لو تو بيتس البوردر تيري لالسيلز تيغورا مال لويل سيلز لين 5 او بوردر الا سو غاري اترب كولت لي غارا مافي بيرو فاغوري كالتشور غاري Alinda Masayugi, nga nurse, nga Vesel Bureau of Nursing. Nga Ellington Tongol, nga Ministry of Justice, nga CID. Nga Ratu, nga Chip, Ezra Mona, Rotu Kana, nga nurse rigidra MHHS. Last, Amit Children Kamsik, in Gangara Education, Marcel Food Service Program. So happy birthday. Adios ang makaltangat kami, makaltangat rablo velao. Next press conference again. See you next week. Maybe next week. No? Swear in next week. Oh, swear in our next week. Okay.